In this video, we'll explain how you can customize the all-over print sports bra using our design template. To get started, make sure you've downloaded the design template provided in the Teespring launcher. Then open it up in Photoshop or free image editing software like GIMP. In this tutorial, we'll be using Photoshop. As soon as you open the template, you'll be presented with this message. Make sure to read it and then delete this layer. Keep in mind you'll need to cover all of the design template, including the bleed areas marked in pink. Don't forget, if you want to add a specific background color, you can go to the Layers panel and find the layer called Background Color. Double-click the blue box, then choose the background color you like. Keep in mind you can view the layer called Delete Panel Information to see how the panels will match up with mockups. Now that we've covered the basics of using the design template, let's start designing. When designing anything on this template, make sure that you're on the layer called Save Place Your Artwork Here. Adding an all-over design is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is cover up the entire design area of the template. To do this, you can simply drop an image, photo, or pattern onto the template. These two panels on the template are the right strap and the left strap. When adding design elements to the straps, we do not recommend adding logos or text. This is because elements may get cut off or folded out of view during the garment's assembly. You can use the rectangle tool to make the panel a specific color. Before exporting your design, first show the layer called Delete Design Check to make sure your design is covering the correct areas of the template. If everything looks good, delete the layers that have the word delete in their names. Next, export your design by going to File, Save As, and select the PNG format. After exporting your design, make sure to check the file size. You should aim to submit design templates that are under 50 MB. If you need to reduce the file size, go back to Photoshop and open up your design template. Once here, go to Image, Image Size, and change the resolution from 150 to 120 or 100, for example. After reducing the resolution, click OK and save the artwork using the same process as before. If the file is still too large, you may need to reduce the resolution again. Just keep in mind that design templates with a resolution lower than 75 will not be processed. Once your design template is ready, you can head back to the Teespring launcher to create your all-over print product.